Hi everyone, it's Gloria. Welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. I have a big Dollar Tree haul to share with you today. So I found a lot of exciting items and on my wish list on this haul. So let's jump into it. I can share with you what I got. All right, first item I got is from this bag. I found these beautiful rags there at the Dollar Tree. This one that says Joy. Look how cute is that. All right. And the other one, it says the most wonderful time of the year. And there's another one that says Merry Christmas, but I didn't get that. I just like this too. So I get this. This is a dollar 50, I think so. Yeah, it's a dollar 50. So it's okay. I like it though. So I get that. All right, moving on. Over this bag. On this bag, I got this. I found this new and I want to try it. And this is the Good Health avocado oil, veggie straw, sea salted chips. It says here potato based snack. Yeah, I just want to try it, so I pick it up. It has a Best By date of December of 20 this December 1 of 2025. So, but again, I just want to try it, so I get one for $1.25. Not bad. Next item here, I got another one of this USB laptop light. I think I think I get two of this. I can find the other one. We'll see on the other bag. But yeah, I get one. This one is it says here the bio. This is by BioLED, and it comes in white light, 60 lumens and 14 LEDs. And hubby already opened it and tried it in the car, and it's really bright. So I get one. It's USB-A powered, flexible design. That is so cool, guys. And I love lights. So uh, every time I found a new light at Dollar Tree, I get it. If I like it, then you go. Not every time that I don't. Some of the lights I don't like, so I didn't get it. But this one I like it, so I pick it up. This is made in Vietnam. Look at that, so cool. So I get one, and then I pick up one of this Freeman Feeling Beautiful Soothing Watermelon Aloe Cooling Gel Mask. It's a 10-minute mask. Perfect stocking stuffers. And then I also get this body lotion. It's Spa Luxury Cherry Blossom Scent body lotion. It comes in 5.5 ounces. Another stocking stuffers. And then I get two of this Azul coconut water. It's a coconut water without the pulp, without coconut pieces. So that's what I've been looking for. So I get two of this. Perfect. I love that. And then I also get one of this Endless Spa Endless Wishes body lotion. I don't know what is the scent of this one, but it's different from the other one. The other one is Cherry Blossom, and this one is Endless Wishes. It also comes with 5.5 ounces. So I picked those. I picked both of them. Next item here, I get another two of this Global Beauty Care Vitamin C Facial Serum. I love using this on my face, especially when it's cold. So I got another two of that. I also get another two of this Himalayan pink salt nasal inhaler. I love using this. It's a two-in-one nasal inhaler and essential oil holder. It's non-medicated, but again, this is so good, guys. If you're like having a headache or um not smelling bad things outside, this is perfect. So I pick it up. I pick another two of this. So every time I went to Dollar Tree, I am trying to at least get one or two of this, and I stock it up. All right. Next item in this bag, I found this new uh, four pairs of removable picture strips, and this is by Tool Bench. It's a Tool Bench adhesive, and it holds up to 5 pounds. It says there. So I just get one to try. Next item here, I get one of this Laundry Essentials Easy Peel lint roller with large handle. It comes in 75 sheets. It's $1.50 though, but I need this in my camper, so I pick one. All right, let's move on to another bag. Here we go. The other bag that I have here is, like I said, I know I got two of this USB light, laptop light. Here it is. I had to get another one, so I pick it up. So I have two now, one for me and one for hubby. It's always like that. It's one for me and one for hubby. Okay, next I get this two brown hand sanitizer case, and I love their sanitizer, guys. So I get another one of this made of silicone with keychain clip. I get two of the brown. And then I also found this Taylor's chalk. I've been looking for this and finally found it now. Um, I know this is not new from the other store, but it's new in our store, so I picked one of this. It's a Taylor's chalk by Crafter Square. It's only $1.25, so I get one. And then I also found this. I also sew. I love sewing too, so I pick up this sewing machine needles, and that's a good deal for many sizes of sewing machine needles. So I pick up this because sometimes I always break needles when I sew like hard cloth or hard material. So it's better to have extras. So I pick up this one. Isn't that cool? Next bag, what I have here is this special delivery um, North Pole delivery service. Guaranteed Christmas Eve delivery. You're on the nice list. So I pick up one of this. This is so cute. They have this bread and they also have that green one. It's gift bag though, and the tag is only like that. It's like a bell, but it's so cute. So I pick one and I need it. So here we go. Oops, that's the bottom, and the side is also like that. It's the red, but it's so cute. So I pick up one. Next thing I have here is this standing mirror. I get the blue color. They have blue and pink, so I just get the blue. It can stand, and this is by Greenbrier, also new at our store. So I just pick up one though. Next item I have here. This is so cute. I know this is not new to the other store, but in my store again, I just found it. This is new in our store, so I pick it up. It's an LED flashlight. It's only $1.25, and it's a good stocking stuffer for the kid, guys. So I get this one in the bee. I get the bee, and I also get uh, the what you call this ladybug. I get the ladybug. So cute, and it needs I believe this is double A batteries. Um, don't quote me on that, but I believe so. Double A batteries for this. All right, next I got I got this bit of honey, made with real honey and roasted almond bits, and it looks new in our store, so I picked one to try. And then I also get the this is a peanut chew. It says here original dark, and it comes in 3 ounces. And again, I only get one to try. So hubby and I can share with this. All right, next item. And look what I got. More, guys. I got more of this Be Pure Moisturizing Hand Sanitizer. So I get this one in Sugar Plum Scented. Actually, I get three of the Sugar Plum Scented. Again, stocking stuffers. And then I get two of the green, which is um, coconut. What's that here? Cucumber. It's a cucumber mint scented. I'm having a hard time to say that. It's a cucumber scented. Cucumber mint scented. There you go. All right. And then I also pick up two of the pink, which is a watermelon scented. There you go. And then I only found one red, so I pick it up. It's cherry burst scented. And then I also get three of the blue right here. Three of these moisturizing hand sanitizer, sweet blueberry scented. So there you go. I'm stuck up with with the hand sanitizer. Like I said, guys, I'm a sucker for honey hand sanitizer. So I picked this all of this, and some of this will be for my stocking stuffers. So don't worry, guys. This is not all mine. I'm gonna gifted all some of this. So there you go. It's awesome. All right, of course, if I have that sanitizers, I have to have the sanitizer case. And with that being said, of course, I have all this hand sanitizer case. I don't get the green color. I don't see any green color and green and blue, I think. Yeah, there's no green and blue case, but I replace it with the white one. So I pick up the white. I believe I still have. I think I have the green, the purple. Yeah, I only have two purple. What a bummer. Oh, three purple. There you go. I have three purple since I have three uh, purple sanitizer. Then I have one yellow, and then I have multiple of this white. So two, four, six, eight white. But it's okay. White goes in any color. So there you go. I get all those white. And there you have it, guys. That is all my Dollar Tree haul to share with you today. Again, like I said, it's a little big, but it's not that big. But I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Please consider to click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the bell button so you won't miss any of our video. To my current subscriber, thank you so much for staying with me and for loving me and for all your support since day one. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. And to all new on this channel, welcome. I hope you guys also stay and enjoy watching all my videos here at Tinker Wonderland. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day and a good night. God bless everyone. See you next time.